Okay, so how do you get to your spare wheel? Obviously there's your jack, your wheel brace, your wheel chock and your locking adapter for your wheels, your locking key. If you want to see how to use all them, if you need to, it's pretty obvious really how you use a jack and a wheel brace, but if you need to, see my other video called checking your front brakes. But after this, you just undo this thing called close open Zutulf in German. Take that off, it's on strap, you just leave that to one side. You lift this up, turn it open, and then your spare wheel drops down. And you can access it from underneath. Very easy design. And it's only a temporary tyre, so you can only use it for about 40 miles or something. But I thought that's pretty easy and pretty well designed from BMW. Obviously just do it reverse, lift the handle up, put your locking mechanism on. Easy.